Hi traders, and welcome to today's ACY Securities Forex Market Analysis. My name is Duncan Cooper and I will be your host. Today we'll be focused on the euro to the Japanese yen. So first we'll look at the news items coming out for the week, and then we'll have a look at the charts. Hi traders, just at forexfactory.com, just want to review the news items coming out for the week in relation to the euro yen that I'm reviewing today. Now, getting to Tuesday, there's a few items from the eurozone. We've got the French Flash Services PMI, 5:15 PM New South Wales time. German Flash Manufacturing, German Flash Services PMI coming out at 5:30. At 11:45 for the US, we have the Flash Services PMI. Then, just moving through Wednesday, nothing in the red items there. Getting into Thursday, 9:30 PM, got the Euro ECB Monetary Policy Meeting accounts, which probably won't affect the market too much, but it's there. And 10:30 PM for the US, we've got the prelim GDP QQ, unemployment claims. Then moving into Friday, day one, we've got the Jackson Hole Symposium. And then getting into the evening on Friday, 10:30 PM for the US, we've got Core PCE Price Index. On the midnight, moving into Saturday, we've got the US Fed Chair Powell speaks. And into Saturday, we are day two of the Jackson Hole Symposium. So those are the things that could affect the euro yen through the course of the week. Quite a number of items coming out today, so be aware of those. Alright, with that in mind, let's get into the charts. Alright, firstly on the monthly chart for the euro yen, what we're seeing is that we do have two higher tops here. So we've got higher tops and a higher bottom, and we've been pulling back this month and getting support on monthly support. So support is at 133.47 and 134.12, these two tops here. So we pull back into that area of support, and we are positive for the month, so we could actually be putting in a further higher bottom here on the monthly chart. So the trend is still up on the monthly. Resistance from over here, 137.49. Further resistance if you move up, 141.04, and a newly formed high up here at 144.24. So what I'm overall anticipating, if this trend can remain, is that we may well start to move back up the range, break above 137.49, challenge 141.04, and can we ultimately move up to challenge 144.24. Okay, that's what I'm looking at. If that trend can remain with this possible heavy rejection down here on monthly support. MACD is up, so everything on the monthly chart at the moment is just holding to a trend. Can we move back up to test that long-term high at 144.24? All right, let's move down to the weekly. On the weekly, just put in support and resistance. Support, monthly support will do for weekly support. There's a resistance area here that keeps acting as support or resistance, 136.863. Alright, now the trend on the weekly is down. We've broken below a higher bottom here to a lower bottom. MACD's down. But what I noticed last week was we had a very bullish rejection candle here. So if we can start to trade above the high of that candle this week, that's going to start to form a higher bottom. So then that's just starting to, for me anyway, show me that maybe price is getting ready to move up higher. We could well start to move above 137.49, and first target would be 141.04 from the monthly chart. Alright, I could actually put in another level of resistance here as well, up here at 139.998. Alright, that's there. We'd have to move above that level if we want to challenge monthly resistance at 141.04. Alright, so at the moment, trend on the weekly chart is down, but a big reversal candle last week. That's potentially a higher bottom to this bottom if we can have a week up this week. Alright, let's move down to the daily. Alright traders, moving down to the day chart. Just putting my support and resistance. So I've got support at last week's low, 134.943. And resistance up here, we can get the exact number, it's 137.962. Now on the day chart at the moment, trend is a little bit mixed. We have a lower top, higher bottom. Now what I'm looking for, let's get my drawing tool in here, is can price break above this day chart resistance at 137.96. Let's call it 13800. If we can break above 13800, that's going to confirm a new uptrend on the day chart, and also a new uptrend, a new higher bottom on the weekly chart. So I'm looking for a break above 13800, and then, you know, does 13800 become support for the market for a further move up? And if we can move up above 13800, then I'm looking for price. First target would be up here at monthly resistance 140.104, and if we can get some volatility and a strong move up, then longer term targeting 144.24. So the first step would be to see this day chart trend turn up. Can we get a clear break above 13800? Does 13800 become support for a move up to first of all challenge 140.104, and longer term move up to challenge 144.24. Alright traders, that's my analysis for today. Have a great trading week. Look forward to seeing you next time.
Are you looking to improve your trading? Join Duncan Cooper, Senior Market Strategist and Trading Mentor at ACY Securities, as he shares his knowledge on the global Forex markets. The upcoming webinars for this week: Forex Trading Live Market Analysis. During this webinar, Duncan will review 12 currency pairs, determine the key support and resistance trading levels for the week ahead, discuss his favorite risk to reward trading opportunities, and answer your trading questions. 24th of August, Mastering the Double Top and Double Bottom Pattern. In this webinar, Duncan will show you how to identify position trading opportunities using the double top and double bottom pattern. He will show you how to create risk to reward targets greater than 1 to 7 using the Fibonacci tool. 25th of August, Live Forex Market Review, identifying high probability trading levels. Follow the link below for a full schedule of webinars and join for free.